Hi class, Dr. Halstead here. Welcome to week 2. I look forward to reading your papers as you turn them in as we finish the week of the overall talking about the modern models of therapy. So good job on the discussion posts. There were a few of you who were not citing the required readings of the week. Do not pull in other resources for those citations or references unless you've also used the references from the week. You can use other things in addition to. But also, in graduate writing, we don't use non-scholarly sources. So don't use websites. Goodtherapy.com or .org is one that a lot of people use incorrectly. Psychology Today is not a scholarly source, so you need to use the required resources, readings, articles, videos that are at the beginning of the week in the required readings. So that's important if you want full points. Now this week we're moving into a wonderful model of therapy, structural family therapy. And this is a model that just makes sense. It's dealing with the structure of the family, as the name suggests. So you're looking at the functional hierarchy, and we avoid the words unhealthy, healthy. We talk about functional and dysfunctional. But we're looking at the functional structure of how a family works best. So you're going to be reading about family maps where you want the parents to be at the top of the hierarchy and you want a healthy boundary between them and the children's subsystems. You don't want a child in the parental subsystem, and that's what happens sometimes. And so to be able to look at a family system and be able to chart them on this map is really helpful in terms of figuring out where to move forward with them. So you'll do a couple posts about structural family therapy. Again, refer to the readings. And as we deal with these models, it's really important that you do the readings. I know it's a lot because we're covering major models, but this is the foundation of the whole program. You did your general systems theory in your theory class, systems theory class, but these models are ones that kind of set the groundwork for you as a therapist and what you're going to do moving forward. So you will be using these models when you start to see clients. So it's important that you do the readings, and I know these models, so I will be able to tell if you haven't done the readings. So it's just important both for your own sake, but also for your grade to do the actual readings of the week. And then your assignment for next Monday is you'll be taking a case study and applying structural family therapy to that case. And that's what the assignments moving forward are also. So you're doing well, hang in there. I look forward to reading your assignments you're turning in today. And I have my synchronous chats on Monday nights at 7 Central Time. So those are where I'm just available. We're not on video, but I'm available if you want to ask a question in real time. But other than that, feel free to email me, use the Canvas email, and that is the quickest way to get to me. One thing about that in terms of communication, allow at least up to 24 hours for a response in terms of emails during the week, and on the weekend up to 48 hours. So don't have something due in a couple hours and expect a response to help you with that right away. So do your work ahead of time. If you're having trouble with grammar or writing issues, use tutor.com. You've paid for, it's not free. You have 10 hours every term for them to look over your work and give you feedback. They won't write it for you, but they'll give you feedback. And then our program is one of the few that has access to the Writing Center. And so you can, on the drop-down menu, it says make a paper review appointment. So you can use that as well, and that's putting you in touch with the Writing Center. So make use of those, especially on the bigger assignments. And I'm available if you have any questions. Bye.